Good evening. Former President Donald Trump finds himself at the center of legal and political turmoil tonight. A federal court has rejected his claim of immunity, confirming that no one is above the law. Inside the courtroom, one of Trump's lawyers was taken into custody after a heated confrontation with prosecutors. Outside, supporters and critics alike reacted with shock and disbelief. This case has become less about legal precedent and more about loyalty, ego, and identity. 3 lines, the lines of sincerity, honesty, and common sense, seem to vanish under the weight of political theater. Meanwhile, everyday life continues, quietly eroding the sense of what truly matters. Across cities and towns, ordinary people are asking, where is common sense? From courtrooms to corporate offices, from political debates to the corner cafe, the echoes of confusion are everywhere. And while headlines scream chaos, the quiet truth is being ignored. The world keeps turning, but our sense of responsibility is slipping.
This is Thomas Edward. I've been watching all of this, the shouting, the chaos, the headlines, and it's clear we've forgotten what really matters.
Thomas, maybe they just don't want to hear it.
Maybe, but we still need to see it. Common sense, honesty, compassion, they aren't gone, just buried. And while everyone argues over politics, brands, or McDonald's debates, the bigger truth is being ignored. We're just killing ourselves a little, piece by piece, choice by choice. Carl Sheen calling it normal. Can't you see it? All of this nonsense, all of this distraction, it's eroding us quietly. We're letting it happen. We're just killing ourselves a little, and we call it normal.